Students, we are reading Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, so in this we are come to know about the apartheid system. As you know, apartheid system is the people according to their race they are separated. Okay, so we have learned a lot about all these things and the sacrifices also. And Nelson Mandela, one thing also told about that its people, that he told that its people is the greatest wealth for him, not diamonds, because its country is rich in minerals and gems, but he is telling that the purest wealth is its his pupil only. Okay, now he was talking about the two obligations, so we are going to read in this chapter again. Okay, so we continue with this. In my life every man has two obligations means having duties. Obligations means duties. Each and every person's in their life having the two obligations in their life. One obligation with his family and to his parents, to his wife and children, and another one obligation to his pupil, like his country. Okay, so we having all two obligations. Okay, and he is telling about that two obligation, that is in a civil, and humans mean here kind. Okay, so in a civil and a human society each man is able to fulfill those obligations. Mean each who are civil and human, and they are able to fulfill these obligation according to his own inclinations, mean natural tendency of behavior and abilities. But in our country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both of those obligations. So everyone having two obligations, but he telling that Nelson Mandela and like him, means black pupils, they cannot fulfill these two obligations. Okay, in their life. Like him, black people in South Africa, a man of color who attempted to live as a human being was pushed and isolated. He cannot live like a openly and have these two obligation and fulfill. Okay, so they are pushed and isolated, punished. For they will be punished if they are going to fulfill these obligations towards their family. Okay, in the South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his pupil was inevitably means unavoidable. Okay, ripped from his family and his home and forced to live a life apart means he will be separated from his family. And he was separated from his family and forced to live alone. Okay, to light as extensive of the secrecy and rebellion. I did not in the beginning choose to place while my pupil above my family, but in attempting to serve my pupil, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligation as a son, a brother, and father and husband. So these obligations which are I have to fill, I can't able to fulfill all this. So I was not born with a hunger to be free. When I was born, so I'm not having that I have to be free, means I was born freely. So there is a I was not thinking about that I will be the having the hunger that I will be free. I will got freedom. I was born free in every way what I could know. Means I was free to run in the fields, having means कहीं भी जा सकता है. He runs in fields near my mother's hut, that the field was near his mother's hut. Free to swim in the near streams means a river. Okay, so meals near swim near the stream means river that run through my village. Free to roast means to bake missiles, to roast, bake maize cones, okay, under the stars and ride board back of slow moving bulls. So I used to sit on the bulls that walk slowly and slowly. As long as I obeyed my father, i abided I abided by, mm, I was abided by the custom of my tribe. I was not troubled by the laws or laws of man or God. Means I was abided. Abided means obeyed. The custom. When I was obeying my tribe's customs, I was not troubled. That time I was not troubling by the laws or the human made it. Okay. So I was free to do anything what I want, like he's moving here and there. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. Illusion means that something that appears to be real but is not. Okay, when I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me. When he become young, then he see that I am not free, that I began to hunger for it. Then I start having the hunger to get free from this apartheid. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. When he was a student, so he was thinking about his only freedom. The terrestrial freedoms, transitory means होता है, means permanent. Okay, permanent freedom of being able to stay out at night, read what I pleased and go where I choose. Okay, I chose later as a young man in the Johannesburg. I earned for the basic and honorable freedom of achieving my potential, of earning my keep, of marrying and having a family, the freedom not be obstructed in law life. So in this way I want to have the life. But then I slowly saw that not only was I not free, means I think I was not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. Like me, I was also not free, and they also not free. Okay, I saw that it was just my freedom that was curtailed. Curtailed means reduced. Okay, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did, that is when I joined the African National Congress. Due to this, I joined the African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom become the greater hunger. And from when I joined this African National Congress, I got got the hunger for to get the free, and the greater hunger for the freedoms. Okay, and now I want to be free of my people. It was this desire for the freedom of my people to live their lives with a dignity and self respect that animated my life. So I want to be a free, I want to be live a life of a respectful, and what expecting that was not for me. So that transformed respected my life, that transformed a frightened young man into a bold one. And frightened means who fear, frightened means here fear, and now he become the bold. Fear man's become the bold, that drove a law abiding attorney to become a criminal. So he is law, he obeys the law, that turned a family loving husband into a man without a home. Now he become, he is a want to love his family, but he was not to do though. That forced a life loving man to live like a monk. So living like a monk, like a sage. I am no more virtuous, I am not virtuous or self sacrificing than the next man, but I found that I could not even enjoy the poor and limited freedoms. Means I'm not able to to enjoy in the condition of the like a poor or limited freedoms, I am not able to enjoy all this. I was allowed when I knew my pupils were not free. When I come to know that my pupils like me, they are not free. Freedom is indivisible. The chains on anyone on my pupil were the chain on all of them. If one person is suffering, and that chain will be that all pupils will be suffering. The chains on all my pupil were the chains on me. That the chains of what? That they are slaves and they are living the life of like a slave, and they are not having any rights. So that chain is all in on all the people. That chain will be on me also. I know that oppressor must be liberated just as surely as oppressed. Means both ऑपरेशर एंड ऑपरेशन मीन्स जो दमनकारी है और जो दमन सहन करता है, दे हैव टू सफ़र बोथ. ए मैन हु टेक्स अवे अनदर मैन्स फ्रीडम is a prisoner of hatred. Means if somebody is taking the freedom, so he is also not a free, he is also a prisoner of hatred. He is locked behind the bars of prejudge. A prejudge means what? Prejudge, a strong dislike without any reason, and narrow mindedness. I am not truly free. I am taking away someone else's freedom. I am not free. When I am taking somebody freedoms, it's not a good. Just as surely as I am not free when my freedom is taken from me, the oppressed and the oppressor alike are robbed of their humanity. Means in this, in both oppressor and the oppressed, both are suffering. So जो भी हमारा हनन करता है वह घृणा का ही जो है बंदी होता है. So we should not be like that. Okay, and in this chapter we read about the struggle and apartheid, and we come to know about all this. So in this way Nelson Mandela and his tribe all suffered in this way. Okay, so this is your chapter.